Why does 2024 hold the key to explosive growth in healthcare? The global pharmaceutical market hit $1 trillion USD in 2023 and is set to skyrocket to $2 trillion by 2024. That's a robust 4% growth rate. What's driving this? An aging population, rapid biotech advancements, and supportive government policies. Plus, the COVID-19 aftermath has spurred massive investments in healthcare infrastructure. Regionally, North America leads with a projected market value of $600 billion and CAGR of 5%, fueled by high R&D investments. Europe isn't far behind at $450 billion and CAGR of 4%, driven by an aging population and healthcare innovation. Asia Pacific, with its rapid economic growth, is set to reach $300 billion. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa each aim for $100 billion, with reforms and investments boosting growth. Prescription drugs dominate the market, making up 65%, followed by OTC drugs and medical devices. Stay tuned as we explore more insights and trends driving the future of pharma and healthcare. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.